I'm just wondering if anybody would be able to tell me if my Latino cockatiel is a boy or a girl. From what I was told, it was a female, and the breeder said that he was almost positive that it was female. But a second opinion would be really good, if possible. Please and thank you. Please post comments letting me know what you think. Now, she doesn't sing really or do anything but just chirps every now and again. She'll chirp, but that's about it. She's pretty tame now, but still likes to hiss and get nippy every now and again. But she's really good, doesn't hurt. She's a really good bird. I have another great one inside who is a male who whistles and does all different sounds and likes to scratch his head. I'm almost positive it's a male, the gray one I have inside. But this one here, I'm not too sure. I just wanted to see if anybody had any ideas on if it's male or female. It'd be great if you could help me out. I'd much appreciate it. You can email me at you can email me at torontocop29@hotmail.ca. Again, that's all lowercase torontocop29@hotmail.ca. One word, no space, no capitals, all lowercase. And if you could give me your comments on what you think he or she is, that would be great. Here's kind of an underbelly shot, I guess, of her. I don't know if that makes any difference or helps out, but she is a wonderful bird. I really enjoy her. And yeah, so please let me know. Email me and tell me what you think. Boy or girl, that would be great. Just trying to get some different shots of her. Hey Chico. Hey Chico. Hey Chico. Step up. Good birdie. She's really well hand trained. Oh, doing tricks. Pretty bird. But again, she doesn't whistle. That's all me. Been doing it for a while. She doesn't do really any of it. Male or female? What do you think? Leave me a comment or even an email. That would be great. Thank you. Step up. Good birdie. Good birdie. There's a lot of glare. Good birdie. Good birdie. I was told she's also about 6 months old. Sorry, he or she is 6 months old.